Okay, so the goal is to find Amazon products we link to but are not in stock anymore. And in order to find those products, we have a tool called Affilimate. So when you go to affilimate.com and you click on login at the top right corner right here, you get to the dashboard. Now we're going to click on links in the top menu and then on Amazon issues on the left. Now there's one particular issue we don't want in our list. So in order to filter that one out, we'll click on issues on the top. That will open a separate menu. And then the one we don't want is all the way at the bottom, unsupported marketplace. So if you click on the blue square, you'll filter that one out and then click anywhere on the screen. This will give us a list of all the out of stock Amazon products we link to in one of our posts. Then click on CSV on the left to export a CSV file. You don't need to change any settings here. You can just click on export. Now I'm working on a Mac, so I don't have Excel, so I'll just open it up in Google Sheets, but you can open a CSV file in Excel as well, of course. Okay, so we only want to tackle the most clicked on out-of-stock products. So in order to do that, we have to sort this table. And the way I like to do that is create a filter on the top row. Then click on the clicks column. And click on sort Z to A. So now we have the highest clicked on out of stock Amazon products. So now we're going to do the first one. First, let's see if the product is really out of stock. So we can click on the link and that'll take us to the Amazon storefront. So here we have the product and we can see that it's currently unavailable. I'd like to add a little something here so I know I did this one already. And then let's go to the next one. Oh, we can close this Amazon tab and now we'll open the second Amazon link. We can see this combo grill, that's still available. So we don't have to create a task for this one. Sometimes Affilimate will give a few false positives. So we also did this one. And let's go to the next. Okay, so this one is completely not on Amazon anymore. So we'll do the same thing. We'll find which URL it's on. Let's bite my bun, best grill with grill combo. Okay, so this way you can go through the list until you reach the minimum number of clicks required in the job description.